Essential maintenance tips and seasonal checklists to help you protect your investment. As a homeowner, it's essential to protect your investment and maintain the value of your property. Tip 1, regular maintenance tasks. Stay on top of routine maintenance tasks such as cleaning your gutters, inspecting and replacing air filters, checking for water leaks, and testing smoke detectors. These small actions can prevent larger issues down the road, especially when you go to resale. Nobody wants to inherit your deferred maintenance. Tip number 2, seasonal checklists. Each season brings unique maintenance requirements, from prepping your HVAC system for summer, cleaning and sealing decks in the spring, to winterizing pipes in the fall and winter. Seasonal checklists ensure your home is ready for whatever Mother Nature has in store for you. Tip 3, professional inspections. Schedule regular professional inspections for major systems and components of your home, such as your HVAC. Again, that's very important. Your electrical, plumbing, and roof. Identifying and addressing issues early on can save you from costly repairs in the future, especially if you buy a home in the summertime in greater Sacramento area. You want to be prepared for the wintertime when the water comes. Tip 4, proactive approach. Adopt a proactive mindset when it comes to your home maintenance. Regularly assess your property, identify potential hazards or areas of concern, and take necessary actions to prevent further damage or deterioration.